So I'm currently behind the 2021 Toyota Highlander, and I wanted to take a moment to show you just how to swap out the battery in your key fob should it go dead. So first off, grab your Toyota Highlander key fob, flip it on its side where a keychain could connect, like right here, and locate this tab that has an arrow on it. Now the arrow is showing you just how you're going to slide that tab. You're going to be sliding it this way. So take your nail, slide that tab down, and while you do that, at the same time, pull on where the key, some sort of keychain would connect, and that will release a manual key. Now you'll notice on your manual key, there's a little bezel flat spot right here. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in this spot. It's going to look like it pretty much fits perfectly, and you're going to put it in there and you're going to twist up or down, your choice, to pull the key fob into two pieces. Now what that's going to do, you can set the side that says Highlander to the side and kind of hold the key together, so because basically these buttons are connected to a little circuit board, and on the back of the circuit board is a battery. Now as you can see, the battery is a Panasonic CR2032 battery, and there's a spot right here where you can use your fingernail, should you have one, little screwdriver, just pop the battery out. And when you put your new battery in, take note to not touch the back side that doesn't have the print of CR2032 on it with your fingers, because the oils of your fingers can limit the life of the battery. I just always like to call that out in my key fob videos. But let's pretend I popped it out, put the new battery in, and you will just be sandwiching it all back together. So one thing I like to also warn and mention is take note of where the alarm button is when you're clamshelling it all back together, so you do not irritate your neighbors or, you know, what have you. Have to line it all up because of me flipping it around a few times, showing you where everything is. Wasn't allowing me to. You should hear a bunch of audible clicks. And slide the key back in. You hear a click for that as well. And you are done. You will not have to key the car or code the key to your vehicle in any way. You were just swapping out the battery. The key will remember that it is your key, and I assume you'll be happy that you have a new battery inside. So remember, it's a CR2032 battery. I have a link in the description down below should you need to order one from Amazon. Pretty cheap. But hope this helped you get your key fob battery going. Thanks for watching.